Our next experiment is called Bouncy egg. Yes, for this experiment you will need an egg and some vinegar. Shall we begin? You will also need a bowl. So I will first begin by putting my egg in the bowl and filling it with vinegar. So make sure the egg is completely immersed in the vinegar. So keep this aside for one day, that is 24 hours, and let us see what happens. So I have already kept one egg in vinegar. So this is how it would look after one day. So shall we see what happens to it? So you will need a bowl to clean it, because our egg is probably filled with vinegar. So if you see, half of the shell has disappeared. So I'm using water to clean the remaining. Do you see how the shell has become? So now if you observe the shell, see, the shell has completely dissolved and all we have is the white part of the egg. So why did this happen? This is because the eggshell is dissolved, because vinegar is an acid and eggshells contain calcium carbonate, which is a base. So when these two chemicals are combined, a chemical reaction occurs. Carbon dioxide is formed, which is why you see the bubbles in the cup that we soaked it. Do you see the bubbles here? That is because of carbon dioxide. And the reaction is between the vinegar and the calcium carbonate in the eggshell. So this is how it would react when I place the egg in the vinegar overnight. If you place it for 24 hours, you will be able to bounce the egg just like a rubber ball. So try this at home. But remember, you need to wait for 24 hours.